Yeah, it's freaking early. We're getting the heck out of here because life doesn't wait on the people who don't procreate.
Oh, she can't wait for what I can give. She knows what I want. She won't believe me. Is it all okay? Will I come off the like this? I can't believe it. It's always like this, 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 like this.
Alright, 5. What are we doing? 4, 3, 2. It's a video.
Oh, good.
Country, baby, don't you wanna go? I'm going up the country, baby, don't you wanna go? I'm going to some place where I've never been before. I'm going where the water tastes like wine. I'm going where the water tastes like wine. We can jump in the water, stay drunk all the time. I'm gonna leave the city, got to get away. I'm gonna leave the city, got to get away. All this fussing and fighting, man, you know I sure can't stay.
Natural bath. For all you people sitting at home, getting clean, don't.
Come to the natural bathtub.
Come to the natural bathtub. Buffalo River, Arkansas.